Okay, I made it to LA safely. I am here getting acclimated on the Universal lot. The show we shot in 2017, we shot on location, actually at a house, and now it's taking place on the Universal lot. I can't show anything there, of course. I can only show you some of the cool things you can see if you actually took the tour. And if you took the tour at Universal, you get to see the Back to the Future set, which is pretty cool. I was wandering around and I suddenly realized I was on the Back to the Future set. And I checked and they're like, yep, this is where the lightning struck the clock tower. And you could see the gas station. Pretty cool to walk around and see all this history just around you on the NBC lot. There's going to be a lot of people that are upset about me doing these vlogs. They're going to say, why don't you get back to making something? I would, but I don't have a shop that I could work in right now. So in the meantime, I'm going to do the vlog. I'm going to share with you guys what's going on with me right now. And as soon as I can get back to doing building videos, I'm going to do build videos. But in the meantime, I'm here in LA for about 4 weeks. And while I'm here, I'm going to show you some of the adventures I find myself on. I'm going to hang out with my brother, go to the flea market, and most of all, do the show, which is going to take up 90% of my time while I'm here. Today I got to visit the Pelican factory. My buddy works for Pelican Case. So I'll show that in an upcoming vlog. We have to get some of the footage approved. I'm just going to include you in my adventures for the next few weeks. Do you guys remember in May last year I made the knife vault for Adam Perry Lang? I was walking on Hollywood and Vine and I looked up and I was right in front of his restaurant. Adam makes all the knives in his restaurant by hand, and we're going to try and schedule a trip so I can go visit his shop where he makes his knives. And of course, I'll bring that to you. I got to spend some time with my brother John. I'm going to do my best to slap him into shape.
What's up? How we doing?
What's up?
Not much, 75% off. I couldn't pass it up.
Where's the pickup?
Matt using it. See one of his skanks. They spray it with purple spray paint.
Too many knots?
It had a little bend in it. Sometimes I spray it with their paint. I make it 75% off. Thank you! This shit is awesome. I would eat this shit. I ate it once and all the acetone went up into my eyes and my nostrils. I got my Jimmy DiResta glasses on.
How much did you pay for those?
50 cents, thank you. I wear them so people can walk up to me and they go, oh my God, I don't believe it. I watch you on YouTube. My wife hates you. And I just go, I'm not him. And they go, oh yeah, you're right, you're not. I had a guy last week, he goes, I watch all your videos, man. I go, me or Jimmy? He goes, both of you. I watch both of you. 2 months ago at the flea market at Daily. I said, hey dude, if you need anything, I have water, tools, any questions? All the time I watch your videos. I go, me, Jimmy, or my son? One of you guys, I don't know.
Why don't you make more videos on YouTube? What's up?
Because I don't know how to download them. It's a stupid thing, and everyone should learn a lesson. I'm dependent on a third party, a la my son. We videotape him. He doesn't edit them. He doesn't download them. So I'm turning over a new leaf. With Jimmy's help, I'm going to become completely independent. I'm doing my own podcast called The Rest of the Story. You're going to check in with John DiResta, and I'm going to try and start making my own videos that beginning, middle, and end are all up to me. Because I'm depending on a third person.
You got to do it yourself. You can't count on anybody.
No, I know that. Nice guys finish last. Nice guys make benches at 4 in the morning.
The lesson be learned. You got to do it yourself. You can't count on anybody.
No, I know.
Too much time goes by.
Yeah, it happens quick. I joined SAG when it was firm. There's me when I was a cop. I was 260. Look at that. Who's the asshole now? He was always good to me. I like Dane Cook. Guess what, Dane Cook? He's on a comeback. He said from the first open mic he ever did till the day he's sitting in that podcast, one word mattered. Funny. He wouldn't have got all that success. He wouldn't have got all that money. He wouldn't have got all that adulation unless he was funny.
Mm-hmm.
And, you know, same here. There's me right there. That's my old headshot.
When I was at Maker Central last year, I got a chance to meet Chris Fisher, known on YouTube as the Blind Woodturner. Despite his circumstance, he's very upbeat, and we had a great time hanging out, sharing stories. It's a pretty amazing dude. I'm bringing him up because I want you to go over there and give him some support, give him a thumbs up, give him a comment, and just give him some support and some love from the community. He's a good dude and he deserves more subscribers. So go check out my friend Chris Fisher, the Blind Woodturner.
Another thing that's mentioned a lot, face shield. A lovely wood, and obviously it has mystical connotations, you know, because of the druids and hawthorn wrapped around your house to keep the vampires away.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a couple days.